Alright guys, we are off to Foster Falls today. Basically, yeah, here's the sneak peek. That's the little falls. No, just kidding. So, north of Jasper, Tennessee, maybe 30, 40 miles outside of Chattanooga. We'll see. We can hear the falls. We just got to get there. Alright, we just started. This is supposed to be an easy hike, although it's not very long. We got a lot of rocks and kind of hard to walk down. And we just got started out, so definitely no strollers.
Bringing their stroller back.
Yeah, somebody is bringing their stroller back, so.
She said it's not her idea. It's not her idea to bring it.
Alright, here we go. Alright, we are getting closer and closer. The further we go down, we have not left the rocks yet. Everything is just there. Not like you need it, but they are marked here, but not like you're going to need it. Our next obstacle is the swinging bridge, Danica's absolute favorite. We have made it to the swinging bridge. Let's get it. Oh yeah, with every step. Oh hell yeah. Look at that. Sure-footed. Professional hiker. Alright, just got done with that. Few people around here. And there we go. Foster Falls. It's about an 80 foot, I think is what they said. 80, maybe a 90, 80 foot plunge. Down here are some of the rocks. Oh yeah, that's flowing pretty good. And you see there's another one right over there. Definitely a cool little spot to be. A lot of people think so. We got to get over there. If you see a couple people moving right up over there, we're going to try to get there. Alright, get you guys a little right to left. High cliff wall right here. Supposedly here we're in South Cumberland, I think is what it's called, South Cumberland State Park. I'll have to look it up, get it back to you guys, but supposedly if we take the Fire Grizzly Trail, I'll get a picture of that for you. There's a bunch of rock climbing around here too, so maybe we'll see a couple on the way back. Alright, headed over to the other side. Where the little stream starts. I don't know how deep it is. We're gonna watch this guy just for a second. He's taking the, I can see the bottom here, so you can see how deep it is. Alright guys, we've had about as much as we're gonna see here. We're gonna make our trek back up and we're gonna look at the falls from up there, but on the other side. See what that gets you. It's kind of crazy trail. All rocks. Every step you take is basically a lunge.
Feeling the burn.
Feel the burning. Hey buddy. So what we have here is an AKC registered German Shepherd. What's up, buddy?
He's smiling for you.
All right, we made it to the top. Wow.
In 7 minutes though.
7 minutes from all the way down there.
Or maybe 8, but
We had to stop, you know, see a puppy on the trail and a couple things like that, but definitely cool, definitely easy.
not
Except
easy.
for the
Not easy, but cool.
except for the whole rock stairs thing. Other than that,
I'm still catching my breath.
I'm out of breath. All right, guys, that is all we have for here.
I'm tired, but it was fun.
Definitely worth it. So until next time, guys.